say? What'd you say?
Rep the B, boy. Rep the B.
Okay, it's us.
But wait. Before you continue to the video, I ain't gonna lie, chat. This video might get copyrighted because of all the music that's being played in the background. So in order to combat this copyright, I'm gonna need you guys to like, sub, and share with y'all friends, everybody, your family, your cat, your dishwasher, all of it. I need you to share this. It's a really lit video. Go like, go. I love y'all. Enjoy the video.
I stayed on 240. Here?
Hey, y'all boys, we on the way to the bonfire, man. Let's get that bitch, man. Montage.
Starting to get that. Wait, do I make it right? Yeah, no.
Yo.
My nigga, this like a license suspended, bro.
We know how to do work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, we work hard, play hard.
Yo. I did.
Fuck no, bro.
Fuck no, bro.
It's all
Mama got the key.
Just run.
Looking like a snake.
I'm a fucking perky, I'm poppy, I'm walking.
Check it.
Get
lightheaded. Where you been at? Yo, continue on the vlogging shit. I fuck with that shit.
I appreciate it, family. Something's about to happen. Yo, this shit can hold us. Yo, that nigga feel like a we just put like a small no. Get that. Damn.
Some tight shit.
Yo, he's vlogging. I'm gonna use
At least this. Blinked out. OD. That's it. I spoke with that. It's behind me. You're a red flag.
Hey, do me a favor and say, alright.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, boys, we just got raided.
We just got raided.
Oh, Jesse, yo.
Go.
Yo, I did not expect my night to end like this.
Alright, turn up.
I just floated off the ground.
Yeah, keep going.
Hey, cálmate, hueputa! Cálmate, hueputa! Yo, this nigga's car, this is a good driver.
I'll be there like around 11:30.
It's us.
This is the end of the bonfire video. I'm in class right now doing this because I want to drop this as fast as possible. That's my dog Jaden. Currently recording my school vlog. You feel me? I don't really do these type of vlogs, but today we felt different. I didn't record the beginning or the end of the day, but it's alright. It's chilling. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know how y'all felt. Alright, bye y'all. Tell them something, nigga.
I love you. Keep God in your life, fuck nigga.